Good morning, Visionary family, Visionary VIPers, future wealth creators. Scott Schlemmer here. Just wanted to deliver a really quick message as I prepare for today's webinar. I wanted to expand a little bit on Andy's training that was back a couple of weeks ago, talking about where the future of Visionary is going and why we shouldn't panic because it's cheaper to buy the coin on the public exchange, and you know, the coin now has gone from $3.50, now it's sitting down around $1, and you're starting to see maybe a little bit of a pullback, some hesitancy from people, a little bit of uncertainty maybe from people, and I can understand that, okay? So I want to come here, I want to clear this up as we get prepared for today's webinar, so you can comfortably invite your people on today's webinar, and I can knock their socks off. So First of all, I want to talk about the public exchange and where it's at as far as that's concerned, okay? So we saw the value go all the way up and peak at about $3.50. And now today we're seeing that value drop down here to around $1, and it's starting to kind of hold in that $1 to $1.15 range and somewhere in that. Now, that should actually make you feel more comfortable rather than make you feel like the best is behind us. And here's why. Because in the open market, nothing goes like this. If you see business opportunities where they're promising riches to go straight up like this, my suggestion is to get out right away, because it's probably not something that you want to be involved with. That's all I'll say. Okay? What we're starting to see here is the coin got up to $3.50. You're starting to see it correct down here to about $1. Now, it didn't crash. It's not down to under a penny. It's not worth a fraction of a penny or anything like that. Bitcoin took 2 years, more than 2 years to reach $1. Now we're starting to hold around that $1 mark. As we introduce the merchant application, as we introduce the cashback programs, as these things start to come to fruition here over the coming months, you're going to start to see some magical things happen inside of here, okay? The next thing, what are we concerned about with the value or the cost of the coin on the exchange versus what it costs to mine? Well, you're starting to see that start to course correct as well, okay? So the value of the coins come down. It's been better buy for people to buy it on the exchange. That's fine. Here's what I've been teaching people. Get people in, or come in, get your spot, get a silver spot. Get in at a silver, okay? And then I'm going to go teach you how to buy the coin on the exchange, because it's a better buy out there. And I want what's best for you. So I'm teaching people how to do that. That's how you solve that problem. Now you're starting to see the correction come, where now we had it more than double from last week, coins per slot. It went from 4.5 up to over 8, okay? And so now we're starting to see that correction starting to happen. And so I believe here pretty soon you're going to start seeing it be a better value once again to mine, which is why people want to have that silver slot. Here's the last reason why people want to have that silver slot. It's the first cryptocurrency in MLM history. Okay, we all know how powerful it is to be involved in a company early, right? So we get involved in our lotion, potion, and juice company. We're in the pre-launch. We're one of the first 50, 100, 2,000, 10,000 people, whatever it is. And we're super excited. We're going to go share that with the world, right? This is your chance to get in on the ground floor. Not only is it your chance to get in on the ground floor here of a company, this is the chance to get in the ground floor of a niche, a full-on niche, okay? We're going to have the ability to expand to gold, silver, precious metals in the future, e-commerce products, cashback programs. I mean, the sky is the limit. We are just at the tip of the iceberg here with Visionary, folks. So this is why you need to get your people on the call today. I am going to rock their world. I'm going to knock their socks off. And we're going to get them started, and we're going to get them super amped and get them rolling inside of Visionary. And we're going to teach them how to do it the right way. If it's cheaper to buy it on the exchange, I'll teach them how to buy it on the exchange. Okay? But they want to have their spot. Come get a silver spot. Get your bronze spot. Hold your spot. Get in. And get ready for what is surely a bright future within Visionary. That's where we are at with Visionary. I've never been more excited than I am today about Visionary. Never. When I first started, I was one of the first handful of people involved, along with, a few others here. We took a lot of risk when we got started in this company back last March, April, whenever it was. We had a lot of unknowns that were going on within this company. Okay? Now we have all of the pieces in place. We are on the public exchange. All of the compliance questions have been answered. And believe me, I've been one drilling compliance questions. Ask Patrick, he will tell you. Compliance is key. And this company has bent over backwards to become compliant. The future is awesome within Vizionary. Get your people on the webinar today. That's all I have. Hopefully, you guys are having an awesome Wednesday, and we will talk to you soon. Bye for now.